Hello, my dear kids. Very good afternoon. This is Sundar Ravindranathan here. Hey, guys. How is everybody doing? Hello, Anjana. Hi, Ayush. Hi, Akshat. Ishan. Wow, 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 wow. So, guys, did you observe something interesting and different? Tell me, what was that? Hi, Stella. Yashi. Shivali. Hi, welcome back, Shivali. Oh, you live in Japan. Tripadi. Hi. Guys, lovely to meet all you guys in this wonderful, kind of a new, different session. Yeah, so you observed pressure cooker. What is this? Where is my Menti quiz? Menti quiz will be there at the end of the session. My dear kids, I want to tell you this. We have been doing this Menti quizzes for quite some time, is it not? So now we thought, why not also, apart from just putting in or imparting knowledge in the form of GK quizzes, why can't we have a real value add session where every day or every session you will learn about something which is around you, alright, but you will kind of learn about how it works. Right from a pressure cooker, the way you see it, you will learn how an AC works, how does a bicycle work, everything around you, small utilities we use on a daily basis, but we just many a times don't know properly how exactly they work. Guys, I'm kind of curious to understand how many of you really like this concept. Give me a yo if you truly like it. If you say, sir, every day, one learning about something, how does it work? I do not know, I don't like it. You can put I don't like it. I want to know what you guys say. Hi, Shivali. Yeah, I do. Yo. Okay. Great. Guys, yeah, many congratulations to each and every one of you. We just, before some 15 to 20 minutes, we crossed 200,000 subscribers. 2 lakh subscribers. Great moment, golden moment for all of us. Just before 15 minutes, we crossed it. So kudos to all you guys. Great job, guys. Great job. It's all and purely because of the trust that you guys have in all of us. Okay? Right. So guys, what are we going to do now? Yes. So guys, we will start with the session. How does pressure cooker work today? Let me see if someone says, sir, I don't like it. Because I respect all your opinions also. Hi, Krishnali. Okay. Hi, Krishnali. Hi, Basudev. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you so much. Lovely kids. Let's move on. So guys, for a quick word about Vedantu Young Wonders. As you know, we are for 6th, 7th and 8th grade students. And what do we do? Now, academically, we cover you on math, science, social and English grammar. Complete year syllabus. Every session is a live session followed by a quiz. And non-academically, currently there are 3 things happening. One is a spell bee contest every Sunday. You will find Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. I will be taking, till now I was taking, we call it as Monsoon Magic GK quizzes. Now we have just started something. What was that? We have started How Does It Work series. You can give any name that you want to, but the series is called How Does It Work. Okay, I will call it as Eureka. It's a Eureka moment because we just got a thought like that. Clear? Super. Now let us move on. So guys, this is a great channel to be. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Right guys, we are also on Telegram. All you have to do is just note down this link, click a quick pic, t.me/Vedantu Junior. t.me/Vedantu Junior and it will take you to the Telegram group. Okay, one more quick piece of information for all of you guys. Vedantu's Pro subscription is coming to you at a massive discount. Just note down this link and note down the discount code. Whenever you guys are free, please go to that link. It has unlimited access to live sessions, unlimited doubt solving. It's a beautiful course, okay? Make use of it. All I want to say is that. Now, moving on. So the discount code, my discount code is SRPRO. SR for Sundar, PRO, Pro Course. Okay? SRPRO. Here we go. So how does pressure cooker work? Guys, pressure cookers are the fastest way to cook. All of us, almost every one of us, we have pressure cookers at home. And how do they work? Structure of a pressure cooker. Directly I'm getting on to the point. Right? Look at it. It has a lid. A well cleared casket with a lid. Once you close it, it is totally airtight. Only in the vent, you call it as pressure regulator vent pipe. Through that vent pipe, air can come out. So that means what? Once the lid is closed and you start applying pressure in the form of heat, all the pressure is applied to the food inside it. Whatever content, it could be dal, it could be rice, whatever you put inside it, the entire pressure is, that compression happens to the food. Pressure is applied to the food. Now coming back, you also have overpressure plug. When the pressure goes above a limit, that plug starts, alright, making that noise, right? That plug, it opens up. Then air vent and cover lock is nothing but the lid for closing. And once you close, for additional safety, you have a lock pin also. You getting it? So at the bottom, you have the cooking rack where the heat is applied. So my dear kids, you have, just properly look at it. A sealing ring, an overpressure plug, and the pressure, you call it as a pressure regulator, right? Yes, you put that at the top of the cooker. Yes, there is a vent pipe in between the pressure regulator. Alright, so this is the structure of a pressure cooker. Hey guys, is everyone clear with this picture? Sir, I did not understand what is this. Can you tell me if there is anything like that? Hi Arsika. Hi Vard, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Sometimes cooker gets bursted. Why? Okay. There are some old models of the cooker which do not have this overpressure plug. And beyond a point, you will find that the pressure goes beyond a limit and it throws the lid to the top. You will find the cooker going to the top and hitting the roof and then coming back. It has happened in multiple places. Okay, that is why when you use the pressure cooker, you cannot allow it for a long time. Have you always observed your mom keeps a timing in mind? Have you guys observed this? Mom generally, they keep a time. Cooker, I just switched it on 7 minutes, 12 minutes. They used to keep a time, right? Have you observed that? Ishal Rehan. Yes, it is because they want to ensure that two reasons. One, the food is not overcooked. And number two, the pressure does not burst. That is the reason on time they will go and switch it off. But nowadays, for safety reasons, government has regulated every pressure cooker has this overpressure plug. Okay. So there is a pressure regulator. Okay. At the middle, you used to put that pressure regulator, right? It controls the airflow coming out through the vent pipe. Okay, right. Don't worry, we will deal with it again in detail. Yes, old ones, Ishant, it gets bursted. Old ones, that too if we are a bit careless. Only if you guys are a little careless, then there is a problem. Okay, coming back, the structure of a pressure cooker. So a regulating knob for opening and closing. The locking pin, once you put the lid, right, a locking pin is there. In that we can lock it. Okay, and removable cockpot. That is where the entire cooking happens, the cooking pot. The food is given inside, lid is put and closed. Okay, so at the top you have the pressure regulating knob. You saw the old cooker model in the previous screen, right? This one. The same pressure regulator is also here in the same model. Vent pipe is, you see that pressure regulator, right? That heavy one. It's a small one but very heavy. They put it at the middle. In that there is something called the vent pipe in the cooker that goes and inserts into the pressure regulator. That vent pipe regulates the flow of steam outside of the cooker. Why do sometimes liquid comes out of a cooker? Very good question. Now who is that? Siddhi. Guys, steam when it is compressed, what happens? It becomes liquid. There you are. And you will find that sometimes compressed steam in the form of liquid comes out. Out of cooker you will find that flow, it gets bursted like a mountain. A fountain, I'm sorry. A fountain, you will feel hot water coming out. That also happens. Shubhangi, it is very simple, Shubhangi. Okay, once again, I guys, for everyone's benefit, I'll repeat it quickly for all of you. You have the pressure cooker. The cooker, you have a cooking pot at the bottom body. The bottom portion is called the cooking pot, where you insert. It could be normal dosa batter for idlis, or you insert dal and rice. It depends on what you want to do. And once you put the lid, you close the lid, put the locking pin, and then at the top you have the pressure regulator. You put it in the middle where there is something called as an air vent in the cooker. You put it inside that. Once you put it, you keep a note of the time. At the bottom you apply heat, right? The cooking pot is heated. When you apply heat, slowly you will find that the more it boils, steam starts building up inside the cooker. And at one time the steam applies all its pressure onto the food which is inside. As a result of that, the food starts getting cooked. Are you clear, everyone? My dear kids? Is everyone clear? What is it? How does it work? Give me a yo, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, Tripathi, why air pressure is important? Because the entire mechanism of this cooking mechanism is through pressure. So air pressure is important. Assume that you cook it for a long tough time. It applies too much pressure, food gets overcooked. Or lot of time you put it, it also sometimes due to over pressure inside the pot, it starts bursting and pushing the lid out. So air pressure and timing is super important in a pressure cooker. Okay, what is the function of overpressure plug? Overpressure plug is an additional utility which lets out pressure when the pressure becomes too much. Simple. Are you clear? Super kids. So floating valve, it is the other side, right? Casket for making the entire cooker airtight. The gasket seal in rubber, you would see, right? The black seal. That is for making the entire cooker completely airtight. Okay, the filter is nothing but, it doesn't see, out of pressure, even food can come out, right? Agreed? So filter will ensure it's only the liquid part and the steam which goes out of the air vent. That is the job of the filter. Okay. Yes. Now the floating valve. The job of the floating valve is to regulate the pressure. Okay, it will ensure that the pressure doesn't go above, pressure doesn't go below. The floating valve put together, these three will ensure that the pressure is intact and optimal inside the cooker. Sir, why sometimes cooker does not open? Beautiful question again. Guys, once air becomes super tight, it becomes very difficult for you to open it. Because air is also force. You are trying to open it, force it. Inside the cooker, the pressure applies that force and stops you or prevents you from opening it. Clear? Superb. Guys, look at the questions that you guys are asking. Now we are discussing all kitchen and cooking, is it not? Which is super beautiful. Now you can confidently go and tell your mom, this is how cooker works. I know. Is it not? Geetika, sir, why is gasket important? Guys, many times it is steam is what? Air, right? It is air with that liquid inside. Condensed air. So steam can easily escape any gap. So to ensure the complete container is super airtight, this gasket valve is being used. Gasket seal is used. So that steam does not go out at all. Sir, why sometimes liquid comes out? Yes, liquid is pressurized steam, guys. So it comes out. And form bubbles also. All because of pressure here. Liquid, when you apply pressure to a liquid, you go take some stone and throw it into a small pool of water, you will find bubbles coming out, right? Same. Are you clear? Super. So this is how the overall functioning, right, of the pressure cooker happens. Right now, guys, principle of working is super simple. The steam pressure at the bottom, you apply heat, and heat slowly converts the water into steam, and steam starts applying pressure to your food. Whatever food you have kept inside, it starts applying pressure, and with that pressure the food gets cooked. And if you do it at the right timing, food gets cooked to the right extent and it becomes delicious for all of us to eat. Clear? Super. So pressure cooker is a sealed pot with lot of steam inside, and it applies high pressure, helps us cook food. Getting it? Hey kids, we are doing this series for you. Unless you are super clear about how a pressure cooker works, don't chat. Come on, focus on the session. So high pressure has two effects. The boiling point of the water inside the pot becomes high because of the high pressure. Right? It is very similar to the molten magma inside our earth, right? Remember that? Yes, very similar to that. When you apply a lot of pressure, high pressure steam, it keeps making the water boil over and over. It increases the boiling point. Second effect, it raises the pressure, forces the liquid to go into the food. Always pressure cooker, you will find people adding water because they want that water to get converted into steam. Alright, and subsequently the liquid in the form of steam pressure, they will get into the food. Two effects are there. So the liquid will get into the food, and the boiling point of water is raised. Clear? Superb. Right, guys. So once the cooker has reached the full pressure, entire cooking pot, completely the pressure is created. It cannot hold on anymore. The air vent opens up, starts regulating the outflow of that pressure. You will find cooker making noise, right? This is what it is. Once the entire container, that is a cooking pot, is full of pressure, the air vent opens up and starts pushing the pressure outside. And that is what you hear as the cooker's sound or the cooker's whistle, right? That's what it is. Hey kids, till this, are you super clear? We are going to jump into Menti. Guys, by the way, please tell me this. Hi Tejas, I am fine. Yeah, Yutiksha, hi. Yutiksha Periyamuttu. Guys, tell me this. Is everyone super clear how a cooker works? Are you finding it useful? Type your response there. I want to see it. If you are not, I'll go to an extent where I will not continue with these kind of series at all. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Right. All right. I'm not a chef. Someone is saying, sir, are you a chef? I'm thinking about pressure cooker and not the food. Are you clear? Kids, moving on to Menti now. So the Menti code for today, for people who are new. Alright, guys. So now you know how the pressure cooker works. Okay, tell me this. What are the things for which you want to know the utilities? Sir, how does this work? I want to know. Type your response. I want to see how many of you say, sir, I want for air conditioner, I want for this, whatever it is. Type whatever you want. We will pick the majority of the ones and create sessions for you. Someone says rocket, okay. Air conditioner, okay. Yeah, rubber, when you keep using it for a long time, it becomes soft and the gasket goes off. It cannot hold on the pressure anymore. So that's why you have to change the gasket periodically. Okay, someone wants aeroplane, okay. Someone wants how a laptop works. Inverter, how does it work? Car, how does it work? Fridge, okay. Super, guys. We will pick something, among all what you're typing, things that are super useful for you, we will give them to you. Clear? Okay. So guys, now you know how a pressure cooker works. The working is pretty simple, okay? Right. You put food inside, put water inside, close it with an airtight lid, which is sealed by a gasket. Apply heat. Pressure gets created because the water inside the cooker gets converted into steam, and the steam starts applying pressure. The liquid starts entering into the food, and at one point in time, alright, when the entire pot is full of pressure, the vent starts opening up, the air starts coming out. Okay, so you get cooked food inside after a specific timing. This is how it works. Simple. Solar panel, good. Keep typing. I will explain you. How many of you know, sir, how does LED work? Nowadays, everywhere I see LED, right? If you want, type it. Come on. Sir, how does a BP machine work? Super. I love that. Sir, everyone just within it, BP machine. Sir, how does a smartwatch work? There are some smartwatches. Just by wearing the watch, it is showing my BP. How, sir? Is it not? There are questions unanswered till now, but we keep using it. Come on, guys. You guys, this is what you should ask. Beautiful. How does a thermometer work? Wow. Guys, I love that. Smartphones, fitness bands. Beautiful. Guys, starting the question. There are only 5 questions for today. First question on your screens now. Pressure cooker was discovered in, let us see, Netherlands, Australia, America, France. Come on. Pressure cooker was discovered in Netherlands, Australia, America, and France. Kids, all these things are being done for you. So make use of it, and more importantly, let us know you are liking it. Okay, because we don't want to do anything which you don't like. Simple. If it is going to help you benefit intellectually. France, 44 of you only got it right. It's okay. It's a new thing. 44. So who are in the leaderboard? Hi Shubham, welcome. Madhu, Advait, Niranjan, Nicholas, Radhika, top 5. Pokemon, Swarit, Srinidhi, Bhavya and Siddharth. Next 5. Good guys, good. Number 2. Question number 2. Who invented pressure cooker? Guys, interesting questions, is it not? Dennis Papin, Sir Thomas Alva Edison, Christian Huygens, or Torricelli. Sorry. Hi Senthil, welcome. So time is running, time is up. So who invented pressure cooker? Dennis Papin, 112. Keep it up, guys. Wow, many of you got it right. Lovely to see that. So, after 3 questions, Madhu, Advait, Niranjan, Srinidhi and Sri Vaishnavi, top 5. Stray dogs. Nandana, don't keep, what is his name, yaar? Nandana, Siddharth, Bhavya and Rushi. Rushi is the pressure cooker, okay? So guys, now you know who is the top 10. Madhu is at the top and Advait is following up very closely. Let's see. Question number 4. What is the principle behind working of pressure cooker? If you have listened to me, you will be able to answer this comfortably. Evaporation, steam pressure, steam temperature, all of this. Think. Evaporation, steam pressure, steam temperature, all of this. Guys, if you have listened to all what I just taught you guys now, you should be able to answer comfortably. I want majority of you to get this right. Come on, let me see. How many of you said all of this? Okay, good, super. It's under steam pressure because you get easily kind of distracted whenever I put all of this, right? You always put all of this the moment you choose all of this. Guys, it is purely because of the steam pressure. And you know what? I explained it super clearly. 144 of you got this right. Hey kids. Hi Sumbul. Right. Niranjan is at the top, not Madhu. Ho ho. Stray Dog, Siddharth, Rushi and Bhavya, top 5. Samriddhi, Advait, Ravi, Fortnite and Prajakta. Guys, last question. Niranjan is at the top now. Last question for today. In one of the following year, the pressure cooker was patented. Which year was that? 1657, 1643, 1645, 1679. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the 4th question. Was it? So we are moving towards the last question. Let's see how many of you get this right. Time is up. 1645 is what major of you chose it. Alas, but it is not the right answer. 1679 pressure cooker was patented. France. So, who is going to win? Looks like it is Siddharth, guys. Siddharth. Okay, super Siddharth. Well done, well done. Let's see. Siddharth, Rushi, Samriddhi, Advait and Avni. Top 5. Ravi, Prajakta, Madhu, Dipankar and Niranjan. 6 to 10. Which component keeps the pressure cooker airtight? Keeping steam stored between, it's not team, it is steam. I'm sorry, it's a typing mistake. Steam stored between pan and lid. Which component was that? It keeps the pressure cooker very tight. Guys, don't break my heart making a, I want all of you to get the right answer. Floating valve, gasket ring, lock pen, cooking rack. I explained it. Is it not? So, how many of you chose gasket ring? Wow, super guys. That's like my boys and girls. Gasket ring is the right answer. 134 of you. Arnam, whenever it comes to Anam, right? Anam, whenever it comes to any competitive exam, you do not know from where questions are asked. So definitely these kind of questions are very probable questions for competitive exams. So always ensure you guys are mastering it up. Clear? Awesome. So who's going to win? Oh, Siddharth and Rushi went down. Looks like Mr. Advait is topping. Mr. Advait wins the quiz today. Many congratulations, Advait. Keep it up, beta. God, awesome job done. Not just Advait, guys. Avni, Madhu, Niranjan, Mishra, Nirmanvi. So many of you guys. Bhavya, Sri Vaishnavi, Rushi. All of you, many congratulations, guys. Hey, kids. I hope you are, now you know one. At home, you have a pressure cooker and you all know how it works. Correct? Superb. These kind of series is what we are going to plan every three devices every week. Right? So, it could be anything, devices or instruments. Today, we dealt with pressure cooker. I hope you guys liked it. So, my dear kids, once again, this is our Telegram group. And if you have really liked it, hit the like button, guys, and let us know that you really liked it. This is an initiative done purely to help you guys know more and more, learn more and more about things around you. Instead of giving you something which you cannot test. These are things which happens in front of your eyes, right? That's why this becomes super important. Hey guys, based on what kind of likes you give and how many people subscribe to this particular session today, we will understand how useful you feel these things are. Tomorrow, probably day after, we will also keep AC, air conditioner, how it works, and more, whatever you have put. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys. Let me see how many of you like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Lovely, lovely speaking to all you guys. 6:30 today, we will be back with the social science session. Today, we have geography. Don't miss it. It's going to be very interesting. Okay? Motion inside the earth. That is the topic. I will see you at 6:30. Bye-bye.